Today we are going to start our new chapter, simplification. So in simplification, to solve or simplify a numerical expression with two or more operations occurring together, we perform operations sequentially in a particular order. So what is the sequence? The sequence is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. For example, see that if 16 divided by 8 into 4 minus 2 into 3, it is given right here. Simplify. Now simplify it. So division first, that means 16 divided by 8 is 2 into 4 minus 2 into 3. Now see that no addition is there, so only multiplication. So this into this and this into this. So 8 minus 6, that is 2. Similarly, we can write another example. 4 divided by 2 plus 3 minus 2 into 1. So 4 divided by 2 means 2, then plus 3 minus 2 into 1. Next step, 2 into 1. So 2 plus 3 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So next addition, 2 plus 3, this is 5, minus 2, this is 3. Pause the video to note it down. Now we are introducing Bodmas rule. So what is the Bodmas rule? Previously already discussed about the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we are introduce brackets and off. So what is the brackets? So 3 brackets are there. Number 1, that is bar, is also in the bracket. So bar, the sign is like that. Number 2, that is first bracket, that is called small bracket or parenthesis, also round bracket, that is small bracket. Small brackets, that is the sign is like that, small bracket. Next is, they are also called, this is first bracket, then a second bracket or curly bracket. Curly brackets, this is curly, so this is curly brackets or braces. And next one, this is square bracket. Square brackets. So this is in the square bracket. We also call this bracket number 2. See that this is first bracket, this is second bracket, and this is third bracket. Okay. And as per number 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to follow in the simplification. So firstly I have to do the bar, then first bracket, then second bracket, then third bracket. Okay, so you have to follow this sequence. Firstly bar, then first bracket, then second bracket, then third bracket. Now O. So O means here off. If off is there, that means multiply. So if off is there, that means multiply. So we are following the Bodmas rule, and here firstly brackets, then off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, now we are going some examples. Okay, in this problem, see that 36 minus 24 minus 17 minus 30 divided by 6 minus 1. So as per the rule, we have to do the first bar work. Okay, so that means 36 minus 24 as per the order of the sequence: bar, first bracket, second bracket and third bracket. That is 17 minus 30 minus 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now the other brackets. Next, 36 minus 24 minus 17 minus, this is 6. So one bracket is closed. Next, 24 minus, this is 17 minus 6. Second bracket work now. 17 minus 6 is 11. Next, third bracket work. So this is 13. Next, we get the answer. Okay. So firstly, you have to do the work of the bar. Next, first bracket work. Next, first bracket work. Next, second bracket work. Next, third bracket work. Then we get the simplified form of the sum. Okay, see that properly. Now see that exercise number 6, number 1, 63 divided by minus 7 into minus 2. So previous exercise integer, we already know the division, multiplication, all the process of minus and plus. So now as per rule, we are dividing first. So 63 divided by minus 7, that means minus 9 into minus 2. So minus into minus, that means plus. 9 into 2, 18. So 18 is the answer of number 1. Next problem, 45 divided by minus 5 plus minus 60 divided by minus 10. So division, two divisions are there. So 45 divided by minus 5, that means minus 9. Plus, see that, minus 60 plus, divide minus 10, that means 6 plus 6. Minus 9 plus 6 plus, that means minus 3. So minus 3 is the answer here. Next problem, 112 divided by, in this second bracket, minus 7 into 4, second bracket closed, minus 10. So division and subtraction are there, but one bracket is there. So we have to do the work for the bracket. If this is not second bracket given, any bracket given, third bracket given, first bracket given, so you have to do the work of the bracket first. Okay, so now 112 divided by, this is multiplication, so minus 28 minus 10. Now the work for the division. So no bracket is there, so division, that means minus 4 minus 10. So that means minus 40. Addition, minus 4 minus 10. Addition is there, so minus 40. Okay. See that properly. Next problem, number 8. 20 minus, within third bracket, minus 9 minus, second bracket open, 16 plus, first bracket open, 3 of 6 minus 36. Then first bracket close, second bracket close and third bracket close. Now see that, as we know that the rule of Bodmas rule, so firstly you have to do the bracket, then off. So firstly we are doing the off work. So 20 minus 9, 16 plus 18 minus 36 20. One more thing, if op is given, so you have to do the work first of the off. If bar is given, then you have to do the work of the bar first. So off and bar, and both two importance for this simplification. 16 plus minus 18. 20 minus 9. So 16 plus 16 minus 18, that means minus 2. Yes, using second bracket for that, minus 2. So now 20 minus 9 minus plus 2, then equal to 20 minus third bracket minus 7. So minus a plus, so 20 plus 7 equals to 27. 27 is the answer. So see that number 9, 37 minus third bracket open 60 divided by first second bracket open 27 minus first bracket open 11 minus bar 6 minus 2, first bracket close, second bracket close, and third bracket close. So see that firstly we are doing the work for bar. So 37 minus 60 divided by 27 minus 11 minus 4. First bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Next 37 minus 60 divided by 27. The first bracket work, so this is 7. Next 37 minus 60 divided by 20. Next 37 divided by minus 3, that is 34. So 34 is the answer. Okay. So now recap for the today's class. So today we are discussing about the simplification. Simplifications rules means Bodmas rule. So Bodmas rule. So Bodmas rule means B for brackets. So normally we are using the bar. This is number 1 means bar. Number 2 means first bracket. Number 3 means second bracket. And number 4 means third bracket. O means off. That means multiplication. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And S means subtraction. This is the rule, Bodmas rule. In the question given, in the simplification given, you have to do the work of the off first or bar, then correspondingly brackets, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Don't forget this. Do by process. If you not follow the process, then your problem is wrong in any way. Okay. So in next class we will discuss the remaining part of this chapter. Thank you.